Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi washabihi amma ba'du. Honorable Sabian Defending Leader, honorable of my teachers, honorable my friends and my family, and my children from my teachers. Hi friends, come to my channel, Yasir Amalia. You can call me Yasir. I'm from class 9 Junior High School Arabia Video. This video, I would like to explain about Madura. Madura is an island located in East Java. Now their strong tradition. One famous tradition is Karapan Sapi or bull racing. In this tradition event, two bulls pull a small wooden cart while a jockey stands. And this traditional event is not only about speed, but about teamwork, discipline, and pride. Traditional head called Odeng, and traditional food from Madura is a sate Madura or uh, bebek cincai. And Madura has a unique identity. Okay, I think that's enough. Like I say, I mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.